Hey everybody, we are taking a look at the Denon SC5000M. M stands for motorized. Anyways, we're going to do a quick little trick here. I'm going to go into my preferences just to show you how everything's set up. You want to put your Q loop quantization to 1/8 and your pause hot Q behavior. Instead of it being a trigger, when it's in trigger mode, what happens as soon as you hit the thing, it just starts playing and keeps going. When it's momentary, it means it only plays for as long as you actually press the Q button down. When you let go, everything stops. Easy enough. Pop back out here, go down to our Q buttons, and I'm running this Battle DJ Scratch sentence, and I got a bunch of Q points in there, so here, check this out. And of course, oh, there's another thing you're going to notice. I have a little bit of reverb going here with a little bit, just to give it something extra. Check this out. And that's it. Hope that kind of helps sort out a few things there. Once again, just a quick overview. Go into your utility and you want to have 1/8 quantization and a momentary hot Q behavior when it's paused. That's it. Talk to you guys soon.